Good night. Talk to you tomorrow.
Psych, I don't go to sleep. Sleep's for
Don't you just contradict yourself when you said that?
Shut your mouth.
Don't hit it at me.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Stop it. That's f***ing gross. Bro, it just like rained on me.
You cracked it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Taylor, can I actually eat the watermelon a little bit?
I honestly thought Joseph was like a worker here, and I was like,
When I saw you in the hat, I was like,
I
oh.
was just like, if we ignore him, maybe he just won't come back to us.
You're moving too fast.
We just want some pineapple. Get him?
Yeah.
It's like eating the heart of your enemy.
Loki is a pretty good watermelon.
Oh my eye! Oh my god!
Okay, back up a little bit. I don't wanna... That was just thick, bro. He's back. Oh, dude, you like hit me in the butt.
This one's for you, Jonathan. Oh my god. Look at this mess.
I saw him pick up his piece. I was like, oh, Taylor's focused on me. He's not gonna see it coming.
Oh my god. Do you see it?
You got it really good.
It felt like I got shot by like a paintball, but like a huge, huge paintball.
Yeah, I want to throw one of these cans. Oh man, I got scared.
Yeah, I got scared. I was like,
Oh my god!
Yeah, shake it till you can't even hear it shaking anymore.
Four!
It actually was really good.
Where'd it go? We're just gonna be white the rest of the day.
We are white. We need Joseph to hit it so he can be white with
I'll
us.
finally be white, guys.
Oh my god!
Yep. Alright, maybe I'll be white for real.
Dude, that was dope. Hey, we can still smash this.
Oh, chill, bro.
Oh! Are you singing coin? You're singing coin.
No.
I'm so proud of you.
We should go swimming after this. This is swimming right here.
No. It's a
A
rock.
rock or a dirt clod?
This thing's a rock. Hit that again.
No.
Dude, I'm
God.
scared of that, honestly. I'm just gonna throw it up to myself.
I thought it bounced up and like hit you in the face.
Oh.
I thought I was over. I thought I was dead. Oh, we just...
I texted, it's nap time.
It's fine, but now it's party time.
It's the nap.
That's my favorite racial slur. Gator bait.
Oh
Is that a racial slur?
Yes,
Little
it
black-
is because
Little black kids can't swim, so they're gator bait.
the joke about black people not being able to swim is also a racist thing. So basically, institutionalized racism sucks.
Any more fluid in here?
Hey Taylor, you're recording right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yes!
I'm not watching your videos because I'm not in them.
This is the clickbait right here.
Maybe.
Joseph, go ahead and tackle her.
Wait, this is the clickbait. Oh wait, this is a clickbait. You notice how these are all empty? Just because y'all do all for me.
Yeah, what happened to all your friends?
Taylor, I'm in a vulnerable position right now. I am distressed.
High five.
Kill you.
Alright, turn that off so
Are
I
you
can...
done?
No.
Why have you been recording for
I have
3
I
minutes?
have
Hey guys, what the fuck?
He wanted to wrestle.
Can I borrow one of you guys' phones? I was at the store earlier. I got this girl's number.
Oh, shut up.
And I want to call her.
What girl gave you her number? That's not our area code.
Yeah, it was in Orlando.
I don't know Orlando's okay.
Orlando's 407.
Well, lucky for you, I'm really dumb, so I don't know Orlando's area code. It's on speaker.
Hello, this is not the person you were trying to call. You reached the rejection hotline. Unfortunately, the person
No, wait. Aw.
Oh my god.
What is that? I want to keep that.
Alexa, what does the fox say?
Everyone asks what the fox says, but no one ever asks how the fox feels.
Oh.
You go nap at your own house. I hate sleeping with other people.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, I see. When you twitched a bunch.
I know you're still filming, and I'm mad about it. Can you just film like George? Like, Do you know how many more people would watch your videos if you would just like film like cute dogs? Like nobody cares about you and your dumb friends. Like, you guys aren't funny.
You're just mad because you're not as funny as me and Taylor.
Can you kick them out? Why? Because they have been here for hours and I'm tired. You went to Target? Do you have tight like this? Are you still?
These fit you really well.
What's supposed to mean?
Is that how you eat?
What?
Oh, the mighty swing. I thought weed was illegal. Why are they growing it here?
Yeah, I'm going home. My boy James.